Today we're at a very interesting place. Somebody's opened an entranceway into a site that very, very few people in Barry have ever visited. This is within our Barron district, and I am over at Hayes Mill. It's really overgrown, but this is an asset that unfortunately has been left into a great level of despair. So there's the Hayes Mill Tower. We're talking about a time that this site had been constructed towards the ends of the Napoleonic War. So this site itself is over 200 years old. It is protected, it's very overgrown, and what we're in the middle of now are some of the outbuildings. And these outbuildings used to stretch across the road, Hayes Road. I'm really excited to be here today because I haven't been actually on this site since I think about 1989. And we've got arches of some of the buildings that have been demolished. So we're talking about this structure being over 200 years old. And this is for the very economical resource of grain and milling in the area. This is a windmill, and the site that I'm actually showing you today, you've actually got timber there within the archway. That's not going to last forever, is it? But this site is supposed to be protected and looked after by the owners of the chemical works. Surprising it's still here. Beautiful stonework, the local sandstones and some of the local limestone. Really nice brickwork here. So we're talking about well before the construction of the Barry Dock. And this is absolutely amazing being here. Little bits of timber around. And you know, all I know is I'm going around the corner. It's probably closed, yes it is. But there's some of the original cogs in here. Woodwork, I'm told. But here we go, let's sort of look in here. Oh, there you go. Oh my God, it's still there. Some of the woodwork and the metalwork it's all still there. This is absolutely great. Do you know, obviously I am trespassing, but I wanted to show the people of Barry and Sully and the Vale of Glamorgan and the people of Cymru, Wales, this wonderful site. I do love it. Just sort of looking at the size of that tower. It's absolutely wonderful, isn't it, folks? Love it. Do you know, it's so great that this is still here when so much is gone. You know, most of the buildings from the Second World War within this landscape have gone. This building that's been here for over 200 years is still standing. Some nice metal windows there, a flat arch there as well. Some of the brickwork there as well. That's going to be definitely from one of the Carrickston brickworks. Oh, and look at that stone there. Look at that stone there. It's nicely dressed there. Oh God, what's going on there? So much to say. This is Karl-James Langford doing this recording on behalf of Archaeology Cymru and Adfer Hanes Cymru. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look around the other side. You never know, somebody could have called the owners. It used to be looked after by BP, but BP, I think Dow Corning, Dow Chemicals have been involved as well. You know, the ownership and the responsibility of this estate and this building has changed. Oh, look at some more cogs there. This was a typical windmill, and this is being filmed on that day. Is it the 18th? Yeah, the 18th of February, Friday, where we've got Storm Eunice. So can you imagine the windmill, the great storage buildings here. Let's just have a little look around the other side. I know when I was here, I'm sure there was an arrangement of sort of glass windows, sort of filming into the sun, which isn't a good thing at this minute. Really excited to be here today. obviously I don't want this video to be too long, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop us around the side now, and hopefully this is sounding good. I'm looking forward to getting this out online on my YouTube channel. This isn't about views today, this is about telling you, the viewer, get this shared, like and subscribe on this video, get this shared, get it out there, show your friends. Do you know, are we going to be able to keep this structure when so much is gone? You know, this is a windmill, and it's in such a wonderful state of preservation. Another bit of a story built back here as well. I don't know if we can sort of ducking there behind this brush and everything. So if we go in around here, more buildings over there, and look at the other side of this wonderful windmill. Oh God, look at that. God, you know, wouldn't I love to get a ladder in there to just have a good look at that. It looks as sound as a pound, doesn't it? It looks still quite dry in there. I wonder if it is. I wonder how. I know that it was in such a great state of preservation back in the 1980s. I'm so pleased this is actually a conservation check. It's still sort of relatively intact. It was great. Love it. Anyway, this is Karl-James Langford filming this for you, the viewer. Thank you very much today. And keep reading my columns in the Barron District News. Get out to Hayes Mill while you can, because somebody's made a gap on the main road of Hayes Road for people to get in and around. You'll be trespassing, but this is our history, this is our heritage. Don't lose it. Keep it in mind. Thank you very much.